Hello, in this video I will show you how you can manage your live website using Git version control. This tutorial works with shared hosting, VPS and dedicated hosting. So I have this simple PHP file on my local host that prints hello world. And now I want to upload it on live site. I already have a shared hosting, so I will go ahead and create a subdomain. Once subdomain is created, it will also create a directory in my file manager. I can access my subdomain from here. This domain is just created, so it will take some time in propagation. Then from my cpanel, I will go in Git version control. I will create a new Git repository, uncheck the clone option, and in repository path, I will enter the path of subdomain directory. I can get it from file manager. Set the repo path and create. This is the repo path that I need to add in my localhost folder. This is the local folder. I will open it in my terminal. Initialize Git. It will create a hidden Git folder. Then add remote origin of the repo path I copied from cpanel. Now I will check the status. These are untracked files, so I will first add them. Then I will write my commit message. Check branch name and push. It will ask for your hosting account password. Enter the password that you use to log in your hosting provider. If you get this error, bad config value for receive.denycurrentbranch, it means that the configuration on remote does not match with your local repo. To remove this error, we need to use the configuration of local repo on remote repo. We can do that using git receive pack. First, open another tab of your terminal and open SSH connection of your shared server. SSH-p tetra2. Then you need to enter your hosting username. You can get it from your cpanel main page. Add your server IP address. It will again ask for your hosting password. Once login, run command which git receive pack. It will return your git receive pack path. Copy it. Then in your git push command, add -u 2 times -xe to execute and paste the path here. Enter your password. It is pushed. You can check in your file manager. A new file is created. Check your domain. The propagation in my country is still not done for this domain, so temporarily I will use a VPN. So it worked fine. Now let me show you how you can do updates. Let's say you change something in your code at your local. You can do all the testing in your localhost. Once done, you can push again. First check status. Then write your changes in commit message. If you added more files, you can again do git add -A. But if you only make changes in current file, then you can do via commit -am and push again. It is pushed. Now check your website. So that's how you can manage your website using Git version control. If you face any issue in this, kindly let me know.